Courtyards provide a fantastic opportunity to be creative with plants in pots. This sitting area is missing some colour, and being so close to the kitchen, it would be beautiful to have some herbs growing here too. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a lovely potted display to brighten up this area. I've picked up these flowers and potty mix, and I've chosen these recycled plastic pots as they're lightweight and durable. These pots are ideal for renters because they're easy to take with you when you move. Starting with this larger pot, fill it 3/4 of the way with Searles premium potting mix, and then add in these pink daisies, lamb's ear, dichondra silver falls and alyssum. Choosing a premium potting mix is key to giving your plants the right environment to thrive. So let's pot them up. This is a mix with good drainage, but it also contains penetrate re-wetting granules and water crystals so that your plants don't dry out too quickly. In the mix, there's also a rapid response fertiliser which provides essential nutrients to your plants, and happier plants means more flowers for you to enjoy. Into this smaller pot, I'm going to be using the same premium potting mix, but I'm going to put in a range of Mediterranean herbs that not only look great together, but enjoy the same growing conditions. These ones love it hot and sunny, but if you've got a shadier courtyard or spot, go for coriander, common mint and violas for pops of colour. I've watered these in well, and now I can just sit back and enjoy my new colourful courtyard.